everyone, this is Ankita Malik here, back again with another video on how you can look fresh even without using any makeups. First, I am taking a moisturizer. This is the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Moisturizer. Use any which you have, and I am gently applying it all over my face. Next, I am taking the Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer, which also has moisturizing property in it, adding glow to your face and also modifying your pores. This is how the packaging looks. You can use it in two ways. That is, you can either mix it with your base products such as foundation or BB creams and apply it on your face, or you can apply it on the high points of your face to add a bit of a glow. Now it also has a pump on it, making it easier for us to pump out the required amount according to our needs. So what I'm gonna do is pump out a little bit of the product on my finger. Now I'm dotting it just above my cheekbone, and then using my fingers and gently blending it on my skin. You can either dab your fingers or blend it like a moisturizer. And this is how the skin looks after applying it. It adds very subtle glow to the skin, which looks very natural and healthy. My skin has been in a very bad state at present, so please excuse me for that. Next, for adding some blush to the cheeks, I am taking a tint. This is the Face Shop Water Fit Lip Tint. This is a lip tint actually, but I am going to apply it on my cheeks. Now I'm just adding 3 dots of the tints on each side of my face and using my fingers to blend that into my skin. Be very careful while choosing the amount and color of the tints because they are very pigmented and very long lasting, so you don't wanna go overboard with it. There are also other tints available which are both for the lips and cheeks. I will be leaving the link in the description box below so you can check them out as well. And this is how it looks. One more thing is, if you have breakouts on your skin, then I would suggest you not using tints because that will enhance it even more, making it come under focus, and we don't want that. Now for the lips, you can either go with a lip balm or even apply a tint and spread it on your lips using your fingers, or you can choose a nude shade lipstick. Here I am using the Nykaa So Matte Mini Lipstick in the shade 50M. And this is the final look. Again, if you have pimples, then don't apply tints over it, it will come under focus. So that was it for today, and I will see you in my next. Bye.